Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quranic Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, walan wa mean and lan mean never, tarda will be pleased, walan tarda and never will be pleased, anka an mean with, ka mean you. Uncle Yahudu means the Jews. Walan Nasara nor the Christians. Hatta till tattabi'a you follow millatahum. Millata mean religion, whom their millatahum their religion. Qul say, inna verily hudallahi the guidance of Allah. Huwa that is only huwal huda that is the only guidance. Wala in and if ittaba'ta if you were to follow, wala in ittaba'ta and if you were to follow, ahwa desires, hum their desires, ba'da after, alladhi that, ba'da alladhi after that, ja'a has come to, ka you, ja'aka has come to you, min al ilmi of the knowledge. Ma laka neither laka you would have, minallahi min against Allah, minallahi against Allah, min waliyin any protector, wala nasir nor any helper. Alladhina mean those, atayna mean we gave, whom ataynahum to whom we gave, ataynahumul kitaba the book, yatluna recite, who it, yatlunahu recite it, haqqa mean right, as it has the right, tilawatihi of its recitation, ulaika those people, yu'minuna believe bihi in it, wamay yakfur and whoso disbelieves, bihi in it, faulaika mean then, ulaika those are, then those are, humul khasirun, hum mean they, al khasirun mean losers, then who are the losers. Ya bani, O children is Israel of Israel, ladhkuru remember, ni'mati my favor, allati which, an'amtu I bestowed, alaykum upon you, wa anni and that I faddaltu preferred, preferred you, ala or alamin the words. Jazakallah. Dear students, recite your lessons before coming class tomorrow and try to write down your lessons and send us before coming class tomorrow. Jazakallah. Momnin and Momnat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah.